Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the Varnish cache in Magento 2, the secret weapon that slashes latency and boosts performance by over 400x. From setup to speed tests, we'll show you how to turn your site into a caching powerhouse. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Here in this video, we are going to see how to install and configure Varnish in Magento 2. So let's begin with the installation first. Now that Varnish is installed, we will check the version of Varnish we have installed. For that, we will run the following command. As we can see, we have installed Varnish version 6.6. After that, we will enable Varnish and restart it. Now that Varnish is running and ready for configuration, open the system service file to modify the listening port. Here, we will update the port 6081 to 80. Save the file and exit. After that, reload the system daemon and restart Varnish. Now that Varnish has restarted, we need to make some changes in the Apache configuration files. First, we will update the ports file. As we can see, it is currently listening on port 80, so we will change it to 8080 to make port 80 available for Varnish. After that, we will configure another Apache configuration file. We will do the same thing here. Update the port from 80 to 8080. Now, restart Apache. Next, we will check the status of Varnish. As we can see, the status is currently showing as failed, so we will restart Varnish again. Okay, now it is active. Next, we will update its VCL file using the Magento-provided VCL file. For that, go to the Magento admin panel. From here, export the Varnish 6 configuration file since we have installed Varnish version 6. Now, replace the current .vcl file with the one provided by Magento. Once replaced, we will check its content and update some ports. Make sure you update the probe URL with the current Magento URL. For that, copy the path and update it in the file. Also, comment out the Varnish header so that we can easily verify whether the page we get in Magento is being served from Varnish. Save the file. Now that we've made changes to the default VCL file, restart Varnish again. Now that everything is configured, let's check whether the current page is being served from Varnish or not. As you can see, the header Varnish is present, but it shows miss. Reload the page, and this time the cached page from Varnish should be returned. As we can see now, it shows hit, which means Varnish is successfully configured and serving cached pages. Next, let's see how well Varnish performs with Apache. We'll compare how fast pages are served with and without Varnish cache. First, we'll test how pages are served without Varnish, and then we'll compare it with the response time when Varnish caching is enabled. For that, we'll use the WRK benchmarking tool. We'll first test the Apache server directly on port 8080, so the request goes straight to Apache and the response is served directly from it. After that, we'll test again, this time removing the port so the request goes through Varnish. As we can see, there's a huge difference in latency. Previously, the latency was 1.33 seconds, and with Varnish, it dropped to 3.22 milliseconds, a significant improvement. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.